Hi crypto lovers, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I am going to share details about first of all about the cryptocurrencies. As we know, in different field many people need some fund and they want to start getting experience in the crypto or in the forex, but they also start ATS ecosystem platform and their scaling plan where you can easily get some advantage. And this video is for just educational review where you can start in 200 plus crypto pairs in different like stocks, forex trading, and this is also just for educational review. So you can do your proper research and get explore the link in my video description. And this is the first ever prop firm that pay you monthly salary as well. You can easily check out. This is also verified by Trustpilot, and we are going to share details about how this chart works where you can also get 200 plus pairs in crypto in the stocks. Here is also the stocks you can also check out in the gold, in the indices, and many other options. So let's check out and give you step by step all the process demonstrations. So here is ATS Funded, where you are going to choose the challenge from 10,000 to 200k. There is also phase 1, phase 2, and phase 3 where you need to complete and meet with the profit. This is target that you are going to use your skill, your experience, or to explore what are the strategies that can be applied. And for your account fund like 200k limit, you need to start with $1,249, but if you need $50,000, then you can start with just $309. So you can also activate your account, take the challenge on ATS Funded. And next you can also check out further information. There are many people who have got their fund by this platform and they need to start. For that, there is also taking the challenge. There is funded phase, and next is about get your first withdrawal within 7 days after the first trade, and instant payment will be given to you because there are many people who have got their fund too. And here you can also check what are the number of balance with 24/7 team is also available that will give you complete response. If you want to calculate your reward, then there is 200k your account size. If you are going to get here 18% or 22% profit rate, then you can also get here per month near to $40,000 plus. And here stay connected with their official Twitter, and there is also Discord where you will also meet with the community that is also going to getting the experience. As actually there is also the team mentor meet with the host. There is Richard, Graham, and Michelle or Michael. There is also going to be giving you a complete information in the live streaming. So next you can also check out about the customer testimonial. It's mean people who already work on the ATS Funded and now they are also going to share their reviews. You can also check out in the frequently asked questions to trade with 200 plus crypto pairs in the funded account. That means there is some potential. You can stay connected. You can even get the frequently asked question too on this platform. And there is also the other platform who are already joined with the ATS trading platform. And here are MetaTrader 5. You can also find choose one trading platform on it that is a pure market for the best experience, and you can join and get all the latest details on the Twitter and Discord. And next detail is about the scaling plan. As I have already told you that you are going to join. Here is initial balance for 100k that is offering profit split that is 80%, and daily withdrawn that is $20,000, and so on. You can also check how many your number of account will be upgraded. That will also have more chance as overall. So next is also some frequently asked question. You can read about that. If you want to join this platform and you want to know further information about their leaderboard, then you need to create account. So friends, first you need to create account, and here you need to put your unique username, and there you need to invite code you have to write and put your email and password. After that your account will be created, or you can also use your Google, Twitter, or Discord account. So your account should be created. If you have already account, you can simply log in. For the account activation, here you can check out I have written my email and password. Click on the sign in, that is going to be completed now. And now you can also check our sign in have been completed, and this is the platform where now you can also activate your profile and you want to take the challenge. You can easily come on the challenge. There is choose your challenge, that is starting from 10,000 to $200 and $2,000 and so on. You can also choose according to your suitability. And if you want to start trade, you want to know how much we have taken the challenge on it. So there is the chart analysis. You can also use multiple currency like in crypto, in a stock, in other way. And next you can also check out there is also like buy long, there is also selling short. Actually this is also just for educational review. You can do your proper research. We are not your financial advisor, and this platform is also based on your just learning experience. And here you can also find the other way how you are going to start to manage TPSL, and this is also depending on you. And here is also the account equity that we own basically in our account. And here I am also going to starting like if we are going to choose here the leverage 5 in the market. And there is also BNB using the USDT. I am going to putting here what the number of amount. And next you can also proceed like what is the number you can select. And after the leverage selection, this is also the number should be increased. So this is actually we are going to choose. And after that you can also put here as TPSL should be closed. And after you can easily paste here how much it should be in BNB actually. And after that you can easily click on the buy or sell BNB. This is also now activation, and we are going to select here. And then we have to go ahead and proceed that. Here is also the position what we have done. There is a complete history in our account. And yes, this is where you can also check out PNL live. Like if it is in progress, it's mean it is in green. And you can also check out it is also going to making a green sign. Then you can even close or short. This is also depend on you. We have to wait for that. And if it is in the chart details, if you want to see, this is for long. We have taken according to the chart data analysis. You can also make your analysis more strong, and then you will also proceed. If you want to close, then you can simple close it as in the profit section. You can also click on it and it will be closed. And this way you can also check out. And if you want to know further information about the leaderboard where people already joined and they are also working with the project, here is a complete information. You can invite your friends on this platform. There is your referral link and share to your friends to invite. And here is also next detail about to discover more opportunities on it. And here are some frequently asked questions too. So I hope you understand. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.